Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error, launch error, EasyAntiCheat is not installed, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite easily. So first off, you're going to go to your Fortnite directory. So here it is. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into Binaries, Win64. You'll have this folder called EasyAntiCheat. You're going to open it up. Here you should have EasyAntiCheat underscore EOS underscore setup. You're going to right click on it, click create shortcut here. Now you're going to right click on the shortcut, go into properties, go into the target here, and at the end of the target, you're going to write repair. You're going to click compatibility then, and then you're going to click run this program as an administrator, click apply, click OK. Now you're going to go ahead and run this EasyAntiCheat EOS setup, then it will reinstall and repair the EasyAntiCheat on your computer, and then you should be able to play Fortnite on your computer and you will not get that launch error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.